Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to launch your store in Shopify. So simply you have to, in my case I have already multiple stores, so I'm going to create under the website. So simply click on stores and now wait for a few seconds. So if you are newly joining the website, you can easily launch your store. As you log in, you will directly move to this page. So just click on create another store and now wait for few seconds. Just type the store name here, like I'm typing the new use. So you have to at least add 4 characters. So just we do it. And after this, just click on create store. And now you can see our store is being created. You have to wait for a few seconds. It will take some time. Success, your store is ready to go. So now we are going to move next section. Just wait, our page is being uploaded. So now here you can tell us something about yourself. So you can use all these options according to your choice. So what is your current revenue, what system do you use? So here you can select all these options. After this, click on next. You can also skip this option. So here what you need to do, you have to add your address, like I'm typing the random address here because I have already added address in my stores. So simply just type the phone number here, and after completing all this, just click on next. So in this way you can easily launch your store in Shopify.